Hi guys, so as we know, Lancaster University has a very diverse international community with students from all over the world. So today we're going to be doing a challenge to prove that. I'm going to be counting every single student I see that comes from a different country. It's pretty early, so there's not a lot of people. Okay, there's one student sitting there having a coffee, and I think he is from Pakistan because he did mention he was. So that's one to the list. And then there's another one from Germany that just walked by. We're currently at the train station stop in front of Loomis. I see one student from India, one student from Turkey, and one student from Egypt. And including myself, I'm also from Egypt. So there we go. Now we just walk to class. And I will let you know how many students are inside the class and their nationalities, of course. In my class, I had about 9 different students. One was from Spain, one was from, I believe, Nigeria, one was from Kazakhstan, and one was from Russia. I believe there were at least 9 different nationalities. And now we have 2 students playing ping pong, and the rest of the students are sitting on the tables. And I met Victor in the lobby, and he's gonna tell you where he's from. Where are you from?
I'm from Bulgaria.
Bulgaria? And what language do you speak in Bulgaria?
Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. And I found 2 more students, and I thought I'd ask them where they're from. So, we have Federico. Where are you from, Federico?
I'm from Italy, from Milan.
So very good. We have an Italian, so we didn't find that today. And we have David, who is from Georgia, right?
I'm from Georgia.
So I'm currently in the elevator. That was the end of my day at Lancaster. A lot of international students. And it was perfect. And now I'm gonna go home, and that was it.